Hello, my friends. Welcome. My name is John. Today I want to share 10 English sayings with you. These are not just nice words. They are lessons I learned the hard way, and they helped me make better choices. I will explain each saying in simple English, and then I will tell you a short story from my life. And at the end of the video, we will repeat all 10 sayings together. Let's begin. Number 1. A bad workman blames his tools. Meaning, if you do something badly, don't blame your tools or other things. Improve your skill. My story. When I was young, I worked in a small workshop. One day, I made a mistake and said, "This hammer is terrible." My older coworker looked at me and said, "No, John. A bad workman blames his tools." I felt embarrassed, but he was right. I practiced more and I stopped making excuses. Number 2. First think, then speak. Meaning, think before you talk. Words can hurt, and you cannot take them back. My story. In my first office job, I wanted to sound smart and confident, so I answered too fast in a meeting. My words sounded rude, even though I didn't mean it. After that day, I learned to pause for 1 second and think. That small pause saved me many problems. Number 3. Practice makes perfect. Meaning, if you practice many times, you become better and better. My story. I learned to drive later than my friends. At first, I was terrible at parking. I hit the curb again and again. So every weekend, I went to an empty parking lot and practiced. After a few months, parking became easy. I didn't get talent. I got practice. Number 4. Slow and steady wins the race. Meaning, you don't have to be the fastest. If you keep going, you can succeed. I once tried to change my life too quickly. Too many plans, too much pressure. I failed, and I felt disappointed in myself. Later, I made it simple. Small walks every day, better food, good sleep. Not perfect, just steady. After some time, it worked. Number 5. Actions speak louder than words. Meaning, what you do is more important than what you say. A man once told me, "Don't worry, I will help you." But he never showed up. Another man didn't talk much, but he came early and worked with me until the job was done. That day, I learned something important. Real support looks like action, not promises. Number 6. Better late than never. Meaning, it is better to do something late than to not do it at all. My story. After I retired, the world changed fast. Everyone used computers, emails, online forms. At first, I avoided it. I felt too old for it. Then I told myself, "John, better late than never." I started slowly, and now I can message my family and do many things online. Number 7. The early bird catches the worm. Meaning, if you start early, you have a better chance to succeed. For years, I woke up late and rushed in the morning. I was always behind schedule. Then I tried waking up just 30 minutes earlier. I had quiet time, I planned my day, and I started my work calmly. It changed my mood. and my results. Number 8. Look before you leap. Meaning, think carefully before you do something risky or important. Many years ago, I almost bought a used car very quickly. It looked perfect, and the seller was very friendly. But I decided to look before I leap. I took the car to a mechanic first. He found a serious problem, and I walked away. That careful step saved me a lot of money. Number 9. Learn to walk before you run. Meaning, start with the basics, step by step. Don't rush. When I first tried to learn English, I wanted to speak fluently in 1 month. Of course, it didn't happen. Then I changed my plan. 10 minutes a day, easy words, short sentences. Little by little, I improved, and I learned to enjoy the process. Number 10. 4 eyes see more than 2. Meaning, 2 people can notice more than 1 person. It's good to check together. My story. Once I wrote an important letter at work. I checked it myself and thought it was perfect. Then I asked a colleague to read it. He found a small mistake, 1 wrong number. We fixed it before sending it, and we avoided a big problem. Since then, I always respect a second pair of eyes. Now, my friends, let's repeat all the sayings together. Listen and repeat after me. 1. A bad workman blames his tools. 2. First think, then speak. 3. Practice makes perfect. 4. Slow and steady wins the race. 5. Actions speak louder than words. 6. Better late than never. 7. The early bird catches the worm. 8. Look before you leap. 9. Learn to walk before you run. 10. 4 eyes see more than 2. Well done. Now tell me in the comments, which saying is your favorite and why? Thank you for watching. Take care and see you next time.